It is the responsibility of every board to have systems and controls that work, systems and controls that respond to the assessed risk or identified risk of the organization. However, systems and controls cannot be effectively implemented without proper standard operating procedures. So, standard operating procedures will provide a consolidated and comprehensive approach towards the implementation of how the systems and controls are supposed to be implemented in the organization. Most of the times, the standard operating procedures, though designed, but they are outsourced to external consultants, which is not bad. However, anytime we outsource standard operating procedure, we should ensure that the standard operating procedure in its design uses a participatory approach. Participatory approach in the sense that the management and staff of the organization need to have stronger input or feed the standard operating procedure that is being designed by the consultant. The consultant shouldn't go and work independently and bring something, but needs to understand the fine details of the processes of the organization, because that will help design a very effective and very contextual standard operating procedure that reflect the operations of the organization. So it's important that we use a participatory approach in the design of the standard operating procedure. We should also ensure that the standard operating procedure is actually a living document, a document that continuously scans for changes in the processes, in how the organization does things. When it happens that way, the standard operating procedure will be updated periodically to reflect the current modus operandi or how things are done in the organization. And that will help guide and that will help guide the implementation of the systems and controls that are put in place by the board. So systems and controls are very important. And in the same vein, standard operating procedures are very critical in helping the implementation of systems and controls. Let me know what you also think in the comment section.